Hello there, I'm Corel Painter Master Aaron Rutten, and in this video I want to discuss how to install and use my value scale color swatches for Corel Painter. So this is a value scale that's a 9-step value scale, and it goes from white to black in these 9 increments here. Now this is something that people use a lot in traditional painting because it gives you all these different steps so you can get a nice broad range of colors. Now you could also achieve this using blenders or airbrushes to get a transition, but sometimes it's just easier to have these swatches. So I could take something like, let's say the smooth scratch board here. I can put in swatch number 2, swatch number 3, and just keep going through. And if I'm painting a portrait or a landscape or anything in black and white that I might want to maybe color later using tinting or glazing, this is really the best way to get a nice depth of color. And then you have these consistent swatches that you can always go back to. If you want a neutral gray, you can always get that neutral gray. You don't have to try to guess by choosing in the color picker here. This is much easier because you know exactly where to go when you have this color set. Now, how do you get this color set if you don't have it already? You can do one of two things. You can either install my workspace for Corel Painter, or you can just install that particular set of swatches. I'm on my website, aaronrutten.com. So you'll want to go to Painter Workspace, and here you have buttons to download my workspace, or you can scroll on down to the bottom here and you can look under extra content for 9-step value scale. You'll want to go ahead and download that file. You'll want to just save it somewhere to your hard drive where you'll be able to find it. I would recommend saving it to your desktop. And if I go to my desktop, here's the folder. This is a zip file, so I'll need to extract it. On Windows, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to choose Extract All. It's a very similar process to right-click on Mac. You're going to hold down the Control key and then click. And once you've extracted that folder, you'll now have the value scale.colors file. If we go back to Painter and we look under our color set libraries, which can be found under Window, Color Panels, Color Sets, we'll need to click in the top right sub-dialog menu, and we'll need to go to Import Color Set. We want to locate that value scale colors file and then click on Open. And then it should show up in this list. You may need to expand this palette here by dragging on these 3 little dots. And you may also want to go to the top right sub-dialog menu again and just look to make sure that value scale is showing under color set libraries. And if there's any color sets that you don't want to see visible, you can always uncheck them. So that's a quick tutorial on how to get set up with my 9-step value scale for Corel Painter. If you want to learn more about the color set libraries and how to use Corel Painter, check out my course called Corel Painter 2016 Essential Skills. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get updates when I release new videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.